Hello, my name is Jean-Pierre Berger from Influence Software. Today I want to show you the usage of codeBeamer, the collaborative development platform from Influence. For this example, I want to show you a small process which might be used for software development. It is just an example, but there are probably multiple other ways to work with codeBeamer. codeBeamer is open for various different development processes. This small example shall show you the capabilities of codeBeamer and the two sections inside codeBeamer used for the software development. Within our example, we got 4 different roles working with the system. We got a customer, a project manager, a requirements engineer, and a developer. At the top of this slide, you see the tools used as part of codeBeamer. These tools are being used in the different stages of the project. In our example, we want to start with a customer who does a change on a document which is inside the document management system of codeBeamer. The project manager will immediately get a notification from the system. Then he decides to give a new task to his requirements engineer to specify and manage new requirements. A notification will be sent out by the system to the requirements engineer, so he knows that he can start with capturing new requirements and manage this one. After finishing the requirement specification, the project manager will be notified again, so he can define a new task for his developers to build new source code and to check into the source repository. So let's jump directly into codeBeamer and log on as a customer. Within codeBeamer, the customer finds all his projects he is participant of and can directly access to this project and do his work. In our example, he wants to change a document within the document management system in codeBeamer. Therefore, he chooses the tab Document and he goes down into the document structure until he finds the folder Customer Requirements. Within this folder Customer Requirements, he chooses the requirements document he made before. To open the document, he uses the live edit capabilities of codeBeamer. The document is downloaded from the server and automatically locked. The customer is now able to do changes on the requirements document itself. For example, we add here just Eclipse. And after adding some additional requirements, you just need to save the document, close it, and it will be uploaded again to the server. The document is going to be unlocked and the customer has done his work. Project Manager is now being notified from the codeBeamer system by sending an email. He finds a lot of helpful information within this email, for example, a link which routes him directly to the document management system and shows him the document the changes were done. He might click on the link and the document would be opened, or he looks at the history and have direct look who did the last change, what and when. The project manager now decides to build a new task for his requirements engineer. For that reason, he changes to the trackers. In the tracker area, you see predefined trackers like a bug tracker, a change request tracker, a requirements tracker, and a task tracker. We are going to click now on the new task. So we are able to assign a new task to the requirements engineer. Define, for example, the start date and the end date. Some estimated hours. And all the other information. Within the description area of this task, we are able to add some additional information. From here we can directly link to our document, doing this with the help of a Wiki plugin. We just need to copy and paste the ID of the requirements document, put this inside the Wiki description. So we build up a new inter-wiki link, which now links to the requirements document. So if we click on this link, we end up directly at the document, which might help the requirements engineer to define and to restructure all the requirements.